Parts of human body. The human body is more like an entire factory, which produce from the raw materials in the environment, what we need to keep our strength and good health, grow and develop. To do this, the body has got different parts which are specialized in different and specific activities in the body system. All body parts, be it external or internal, cooperates with other parts to fulfill their duties of making the body function. Some parts, like the brain and heart, function without you thinking about it. Other parts, like your arms, hands, legs, and feet have to be told what to do. Knowledge of our body parts and their location is very important, for if you know a little about these human body parts, you are most likely to understand your health and the ailments that you suffer from even better. This will help when seeking help while prompted by the body. It will also allow the person to keep their body healthy. Furthermore, having this knowledge is what separates humans from any other thing on the planet. We have the know-how on when and how to seek treatment if we would just listen to our bodies. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover. See you later.